This next book is called Scaredy Cat. It's a book about combinations of 10. It's written by James Burnett and Calvin Irons. Scaredy Cat. Illustrated by Paula Herbert. The Scaredy Cats need to cross the river. They have 10 boxes they must deliver. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The cats know they must balance their boat if they are going to stay afloat. Be brave! You can do it! First, they placed them at the back, but it did not work in one big stack. Look at this group of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. After they tried 9 and 1, the cats weren't sure it could be done. 9 and 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And 1. 10, 9, and 1 make 10. They split the load into 8 and 2, but they didn't think this would do. 8 and 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 2, 8 and 2 make 10. They changed the boxes another way, but it really didn't look okay. Oh, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 and 1, 2, 3. 7 and 3 make 10. They moved one box and it was almost steady, so they thought their boat was nearly ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We've got 6. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 6 and 4 make 10. Suddenly they gave a shout. The Scaredy Cats had figured it out. Look, they balanced it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 and 5 make 10. This book is called Scaredy Cat. It's a book about combinations of 10.